That's all it takes. My heart is racing. I stand in a trance as I stare at the back of the bus, knowing there's no use denying. I can't stop thinking about us. And you took it from me every coming time. I was sick for more than now I'm out in the cold. And I know I shouldn't have told. I'm sorry, sorry, I laid myself on the line. Yet to read the pages where the ink hadn't dried. All the emotions get up inside. I'm sorry. I try to resist, but the images keep coming through. So many years, still on defenseless. My heart's on the lake, its hands resting around yours. Speaking with quiet conviction, carefully unlocking doors. And you took it from me every coming time. I was sick for more than now I'm out in the cold. And I know I shouldn't have told. I'm sorry, sorry, I laid myself on the line. Yet to read the pages where the ink hadn't dried. All the emotions get up inside. I'm sorry, did he see these? Or did I just imagine it all? Putting a face on a stranger, a face I find more and more hard to recall. Time went by and sadness took the place of despair. In a way you stay with me till death do us part. Like a shadow in my heart. I'm sorry, and you took it from me every coming time. I was sick for more than now I'm out in the cold. And I know I shouldn't have told. I'm sorry, sorry, I laid myself on the line. Yet to read the pages where the ink hadn't dried. It's not for me, must have nothing was left to do. I just had to bring it to you. I'm sorry, sorry, and you took it from me every coming time. I was sick for more than now I'm out in the cold.
This dance is called Story of a Heart 2. It is a full wall, 32 count, absolute beginner level line dance, choreographed by Gell. Weight is on the left. You're going to step your right foot to the right diagonal, step left next to right, step right to right diagonal, touch left next to right, clap. Step left foot to the left diagonal, step right next to left, step forward, left, touch right next to left, clap. Step back on the right foot to the right diagonal, touch left next to right, step left to left diagonal, touch right next to left. You're going to do a V step, step right foot out, shoulder width, left foot out, shoulder width. Step back, right, step left next to right. Repeat the V step, step right foot out, shoulder width, step left foot out, shoulder width. Step back, right foot, step back, left next to right, with the weight on the left foot. Step the right foot to the right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, touch right next to left. Step right foot to the right side, behind with the left, right to the right side, touch left next to right. Step the left foot to the left side, behind with the right, make a quarter turn left to face 9 o'clock, touch right next to left. End of dance. The count of the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching. There are no tags or restarts in this dance.